Hey everyone, Ramel here, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and initial impressions of this glorious extra large mousepad. I really needed a new mousepad when I switched back to the QCK Plus. This one was really battered up and was really rough to use, so I really wanted to get a new one, and I got the glorious one mostly because I really enjoyed their Model O- and I wanted to continue to support that company. And from what I've read and from what I've seen, their mouse pads are just as good, if not better, than the top mouse pads out there. So I'm gonna use it for a little bit and see how I like it. Anyways, inside the box there is the mouse pad, some information, as well as another sticker. This is one of the few that had extras inside the mousepad. The Aki and the Steelseries QCK Prism didn't have anything inside, so thank you Glorious for including a sticker in there. The dimensions are 45 by 40 centimeters and 5 centimeters thick, and in inches that is 18 by 16 and 0.2. As you can see, it's relatively the same size as my Steelseries QCK Plus, so I'm going to be very used to it, and it's the same thickness as the Aki that I was using previously, so that's also a plus. I really like the stitch edges, although for me it looks like the cardboard box was digging into it, so one side of it looks like it has an indent of the box itself, but hopefully that goes away. It's not too noticeable, but it is something I wish didn't happen. It isn't too noticeable, but it sucks that I know it's there. It also doesn't lay entirely flat on my desk out of the box, which is to be expected. So I'll probably stack some board games on it just to make sure that it is flat when I start playing. I tried it with the Model O- and it felt really nice. It was very smooth. I didn't really feel the same roughness that I did with the Steelseries QCK Plus, so I'm going to try to maintain this one a little bit better, but I do expect to replace my mouse pad every now and then. I haven't been too good at that because I haven't really been playing too intense and too competitively. Price-wise, it wasn't too bad. It was about $18 American after taxes and everything. And you can get it off of the Glorious website as well as Amazon. I got mine off of Amazon mostly because of the free 2-day shipping, and I was only in San Francisco for a couple days, so I needed to get it fast. But yeah, I'll do a more in-depth review and give you guys a better impression of the mousepad in my G703 and Model O- comparison video. I'll be using this mousepad for that now that I have it, so I'll let you guys know how that is. Also, I'll probably be doing the Stream Deck video sometime soon. That's the other item that I got when I was in San Francisco. If you haven't heard the news, I recently made it to affiliate on Twitch. So if you guys haven't followed me there yet, my Twitch is twitch.tv/forbiddenx, and I'll be using the Stream Deck on that a lot more. And I'll also be using it for editing. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me this week. Sorry that was a very short one. I literally just came back from San Francisco. I got off the plane maybe 2 hours ago, so I've been pretty beat from all that travel. I fell asleep on the plane, but also trying to think of more YouTube ideas while I was in flight. But yeah, I really wanted to do the G703 and Model O- video, but that's probably gonna wait till next week. And then, like I said, the Stream Deck video to follow, and hopefully I get my new controller by then so I can give you guys a better impression of that. If you guys haven't subscribed to this channel, you want to see more content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That's gonna be it for me this week. I'll catch you guys in the next one.